I think one of the key obstacles is that, let's be honest, a lot of manufacturers are customer focused. They do try to understand customer needs. They are working on innovation and change. But I think that the trap they are, that they're stuck in business as usual. They're stuck in kind of their current business logic about how their business works, how their clients work, how the whole industry works. So everything revolves around improving that. And that means that they're not shifting to let's say, the future where the disruption is coming from. So they have to start embracing that everything they need to change for the future means it's completely different than they're doing now. So they work for different clients, solving different problems, working with different partners, with other capabilities and competencies. Everything will change. So that is actually the pre-assumption. Everything will change, so let's focus on that.
One approach that we've found really powerful is to start to completely rethink the environment you're sitting in, the nature of the relationships you have, the players out there that you could have relationships with, the relationship with your clients. Where is value created? Are there people out there who can help you create new value and really transform that network of relationships to liberate value in new ways?